Dear friends, welcome to the official YouTube channel of astrologer Dr. Prem Kumar Sharma. As requested, we present the daily horoscope in the text format. Not only this, but we will also be discussing today's auspicious and inauspicious timings along with the remedies for each sun sign that will help you make your day more fruitful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates and information. You can reach us on www.premastrologer.com for a personalized consultation with astrologer Dr. Prem Kumar Sharma. Let us begin with auspicious and inauspicious timings for 4th May 2021. Auspicious timings 10:42 a.m. to 12:21 p.m., 12:22 p.m. to 2:01 p.m. Inauspicious timings Yamagandam Kal 8:57 a.m. to 10:37 a.m. Rahu Kal in Delhi 3:36 p.m. to 5:16 p.m. Rahu Kal in Mumbai 3:46 p.m. to 5:22 p.m. Best wishes to everyone who celebrates their birthday today from astrologer Dr. Prem Kumar Sharma and his team. May all your dreams come true. Let's get started with the daily horoscope for 4th May 2021. Aries. March 21st to April 20th. You may have to keep aside money for something urgent. A new health product may benefit. You are likely to enjoy what you are presently involved in at work. Differences may crop up amongst those living in a joint family. An out-of-town official trip will come as a respite for some. Those who have applied for a house or a plot may not prove lucky in the draw. The more interest you show in others, the more interested will they become in you. Lucky number 18. Lucky color pink. Remedy. Keep crystal ball with you duly washed in holy water throughout the day. Taurus. April 21st to May 20th. Earning is likely to improve and will ward off an unexpected financial crunch. You will do well to give your system a break by fasting or eating a special diet. Think twice before giving your opinion at work. Spirited performance of a family member is likely to make you proud. Delays are foreseen for those traveling long distance by road. Moving to a new location will be like a breath of fresh air. You are likely to remain socially active. Lucky number 7. Lucky color grey. Remedy. Keep silver cube with you. Gemini. May 21st to June 21st. Financial powers of those in authority may get enhanced. Although not very regular, you will be able to maintain the fitness level. A venture others were apprehensive about will prove profitable. A family member will be adamant to do things his or her own way, so give way to keep domestic harmony. Misunderstanding threatens to spoil your plans on the romantic front. Be careful in a long-distance travel by road. A property issue pending for long is likely to be decided in your favor. Your sympathetic attitude towards someone in need will prove great emotional support. Lucky number 11. Lucky color deep sky blue. Remedy. Offer 7 pieces of yellow sweet along with 7 cloves, 7 cardamom at Ganesha temple or to whom you worship. Cancer. June 22nd to July 22nd. New ventures can be thought of by some, but implementing them can pose difficulties. New ventures can be thought of by some, but implementing them can pose difficulties. Monetary problems become a thing of the past. You will take positive steps towards achieving perfect health. A lot of happening on the home front, so expect to enjoy an exciting time today. An out-of-town business trip may prove a wasted effort, as the deal may slip through your fingers. A property decision will be given in your favor. You are about to get a first-hand experience on something you have never tried before. Lucky number 8. Lucky color metallic blue. Remedy. Offer 4 pieces of bread along with 8 biscuits duly dipped in the milk to the dog. Leo. July 23rd to August 23rd. Financial troubles for those in debt are likely to be over soon. You manage to retain perfect health. Incomplete jobs at work will keep you on your toes throughout the day. Homemakers are likely to go overboard in getting something done at home and overstep the budget. Traveling may prove therapeutic for some. Selling property at this juncture seems profitable. You will resolve to maintain a positive mental outlook come what may. Lucky number 3. Lucky color maroon. Remedy. Offer 2 pomegranate, 2 red roses to Goddess Lakshmi. Virgo. August 24th to September 23rd. Financial problems may plague some and compel them to take some desperate measures. Your prime focus at work should be to come in the eyes of those who matter. Mood swings will need to be kept in check before they mar the day. A family issue will need to be tackled diplomatically if peace is to prevail at home. Traveling with friends will be fun. Keep your attempts to mend fences with someone close in a property dispute. You may feel liberated from a situation that had shackled you for the past so many days. Lucky number 4. Lucky color navy blue. Remedies. Offer 5 bay leaves at Shiva temple after offering water mixed with few drops of holy water and milk. Libra. September 24th to October 23rd. Financial front promises to remain ever so strong. Some turbulence can be experienced at work as things don't turn out as expected. Those ailing for some time will show positive signs of recovery. Today, you are likely to enjoy peace and harmony on the domestic front. Travel is likely to prove profitable. Some of you are set to shift into a bigger house. A change of climate is likely to do a whale of a good. Lucky number 7. Lucky color lemon. Remedy. Chant mantra Om Doom Durgaye Namaha. Also offer 7 flowers of any kind at Mother Goddess temple. Scorpio. October 24th to November 22nd. It is best to consult knowledgeable people before going in for investments. Those feeling not so good are likely to find positivity entering their lives once again. You will be able to give a good account of yourself at work through your ability to impress others. Spouse may welcome your suggestions, but only up to a limit. Traveling on a business trip may not bring the expected returns, but you will still benefit. Getting a prestigious membership or invitation is possible for some. Lucky number 5. Lucky color parrot green. Remedy: recite mantra Om Namo Shri Shaneshcharai Namaha. Also offer cooked or uncooked black lentil to the poor needy person. Sagittarius. November 23rd to December 21st. You will find luck on your side in a financial deal. Health remains satisfactory for those regular in workouts. You may lack interest in whatever you are currently into. You are set to enjoy a great time in a family get-together. A long vacation with partner is indicated for some. Luck is likely to shine for those who have applied for a house or a plot. It is not really necessary to open your heart to one and all. Lucky number 18. Lucky color pink. Remedy: offer any quantity of green lentil and black lentil at some temple or to some needy person. Capricorn. December 22nd to January 21st. Expected payments are likely to get delayed but will be received. Good health is assured. An approaching deadline can make you nervous. You will be able to infuse fun and gaiety to make the domestic front lively. Smooth going is indicated for those on a long journey. Chance of owning a property may come to you soon. You will need to be more sensitive to the needs of someone close. Lucky number 9. Lucky color peach. Remedy: offer 2 types of vegetables and 2 types of lentils except red lentil at some temple or to the laborer. Aquarius. January 22nd to February 19th. Taking the advice of a friend may benefit you on the investment front. Health matters may take a priority over other things. Certain issues may need to be handled with care on the professional front. Good advice from a family member will work wonders for you. Those lagging behind in studies need to catch up before the burden becomes too heavy to handle. Learn to remain happy. Lucky number 17. Lucky color forest green. Remedy: recite mantra Om Namo Shri Maheshwarai Namaha 108 times and offer 4 packets of fresh milk, ½ liter each, at Shiva Linga. Pisces. February 20th to March 20th. A financial issue is likely to go in your favor. Your desire for doing something not done before will keep you motivated on the professional front. You will benefit by taking a break from your regular exercise routine. You may feel ignored in a family get-together and spoil your mood. Flying overseas on a business or leisure trip is indicated. Some of you may add to your list of properties by booking a new one. You may help someone on the social front by assisting in something important. Lucky number 11. Lucky color deep sky blue. Remedy: offer wheat flour and edible oils to any poor person or at some religious place.